Today in front of me I have Honor 70, and in this video I would like to find out whether this device has a Gorilla Glass screen protection. So in order to discover it, we will use the help of our very own HardReset.Info website. So let's just go ahead and open it. I will also enter the Honor 70 query, then open the details page for our particular device. After that, expand the read more section, and in here look for the display field. Should be at the top somewhere. Already, here it is. So basically, by the fact that there are no mentions of any kind of screen protection, we can well, surely or positively tell that unfortunately this device does not have a Gorilla Glass display protection. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.